G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I'm going to do something that I've never done before on this show, and that's cook a roast. Now, there's a very good reason why I've never done a roast on this show before. It's because I don't know how to do them. But recently I picked up something that might help me. It's called a meter. Now, what you do is you stick this in the meat. It's got some sensors on it. It sends out a signal to your phone, and then from your app it tells you when the meat's ready. It sounds too good to be true, so how about we try this meter out and see how well it works. So I just picked up a piece of roast here, and what I'm going to do first is just brown it off. So I'll add some oil and some butter into my frying pan. And we'll just brown this off on all sides and get the outside nice and cooked and slightly crispy. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm going to stick it on the tray, then I'm going to stick in the oven and make sure those juices get underneath. Now I might melt a bit more butter with some more oil, because I've cut up some vegetables here, and what I want to do is coat them in that oil and butter mix. Just got some potatoes and pumpkin, my favourite. So I'll just pour that over the top and give those a jiggle. I better crack some salt over those too. Now this meter actually goes inside the meat, and there's a little notch right here on it. It has to go in just slightly further than that. And this end of the meter can't get hotter than 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit, because this is where it's powered from. But this end of the meter here can withstand temperatures up to 275 degrees Celsius or 527 Fahrenheit. So as long as your oven or barbecue temperature doesn't get above that, you should be right. And the battery in it lasts for like 24 hours, so you can slow cook on a low temperature overnight. Now this part of the probe has to go into the thickest piece of the meat, which would be down here. So I'll stick that in.
Oh no!
Up to the line and past, making sure I leave this sticking out a couple of inches. I'll add the veggies around the outside, spreading it out into nice even layers. I've got a couple of bulbs of garlic here too, which I'll just whack in here. So now I just go to the app on my phone and I hit that. Right, so I need to set up a cook. I'm cooking beef. It's a roast. And this is the temperature, and you can actually gauge how you want it. If you want it medium rare or medium well or well done. I'll tell you what, I'll try a medium, which means the interior of the meat will be 63 degrees Celsius. And start cook. Now, I preheated my oven to 200 today. You can have it higher or lower, but I just thought I'd do it at 200. I could even drop it down to about 180. The beauty is you can just change whatever temperature you want, and the meter will do all the adjusting for you. So the internal target is 63 degrees Celsius. At the moment it's only 18 degrees Celsius, and the ambient temperature, which is the outside temperature, is 119 and rising. It gives you the estimated cook time, and it'll tell you when to take it out and rest it as well. So this bar here will slowly go around up to here, and when it gets to there, it'll be ready. And it shows you how long it's already been cooking. Now after about half an hour, what I'll do is I'll probably pull it out and maybe turn the veggies over, or just give it a shake and make sure they're not sticking. Alright, so now my phone's telling me exactly how long to go for this cook. 45 minutes remaining. Well, that's good to know. Alright, so now it's telling me remove from the heat. So let's do that. Alright, well here it is. All finished and done. And now it's got a resting stage. So it's got there 4 minutes of resting. Awesome. Alright, well something happened. It's telling me it's overcooked. Cook is now medium well. Oh, perfect. I actually wanted it medium well, but I thought I'd do it medium just to see if, if it did come out medium. You know, when I am making these videos, there's lots of me moving cameras around and doing things, so I think I let it rest too long. Anyway, let's cut it open and see what medium well looks like. So for starters, let's remove the probe. Let's check this out. Oh wow, look at that. That's medium well. That looks awesome. So juicy as well. I can't believe that I actually cooked a roast. This is going to be one of the greatest days of my life. Alright, well let's plate some up so I can tuck on in. And because I am making a roast, I'd better add some gravy or else I'll never hear the end of it from my subscribers. Alrighty, my first ever roast using this thing here. How about we start off with the veggies? See how well they're cooked. Perfect and soft in the middle. Put your hands up if you like roast pumpkin. Hello. Oh, beautiful. I did throw some garlic in there too. Let's see if this turned out nice and creamy. You know it did. Okay, meat, it's your turn. It turned out perfect. I made a roast. I actually did it. I did it all by myself. With a little bit of help, of course. So there you go, this thing really works well. I've got some pork there, I can't wait to roast that, and you can stick it in chickens, you can stick it in anything. Well, not anything, but it does work, and as you can see, it worked really well. So there you go, the old meter. Something to look out for. And if you're a roast hack like me, maybe it'll help you save the day. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a roast using a thing called a meter. I can't believe I made one. I'm so proud of myself. It's